Today, we will be discussing how to make the cord reel constant tension on a Series L 70,000 reel. All of our reels, except for our hand crank reels, are designed and assembled with a latching mechanism. This allows it to lock into place so your hose doesn't automatically retract in when you don't want it to. To make the hose reel constant tension, you'll want to disengage and remove the latching mechanism. Begin by removing the access cover. You'll want to cut a small zip tie for these next steps. Disconnect the wire connectors and zip tie them together. Next, remove the inlet cable. Locate the set screw and loosen it. Once that is loose, move the spool over 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Remove the large nut from the latch to release the assembly. Set that aside. Now you can reverse the steps. Add wraps to the reel until you reach your desired tension. Now you can use your Series L 70,000 reel in constant tension. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.